Hi guys, you're welcome to my channel. To the returning subscriber and the new subscriber, you are welcome. So today we'll be making mannequin. Okay, let's just DIY our mannequin. I'll be using this fabric. It's a little bit thick. Okay, so this is the wrong side. So I will trim off this part off. So the length I'm using is 920. Okay, and the width is 18.5. So this is into two parts, so I will cut it into two. So this is 18.5, 18.5, right? 18.5 by 20 inches. Okay, the length is 20 inches. So let's put the back outside. This is the front. So the measurement I'll be using, the shoulder is 15. Okay, that is divided by 2, that is 7.5. That is 7.5. So we'll mark our 7.5 here. Okay, so from here we need to make the neck of the mannequin. So let's make 3 inches. So this will be our starting point. So this is our starting point. So we take the half of the shoulder. The shoulder is 15 divided by 2, that is 7.5, right? So here I will mark 2.5 for the width. Now with 2.5, right? So I'll mark it up. Okay, so this is 2.5 here. So now it's time to make our shoulder slope. So I'll come down by 1 inch where our shoulders end. Okay, so I'll connect it this way. Okay, you can use ruler to have a straight line. So I'll connect it here. So the next thing is to input all the vertical line, right? So shoulder to nipple point is 9. Okay, you can do this before doing another thing. Okay, shoulder to nipple point is 9, and shoulder to under bust is 12.5. Okay, Okay, shoulder to, this is our shoulder line. Okay, not this. This is not this side, not this 3 inches at the top. This is the neck. Okay, shoulder to the waistline is 14. Okay, so plus 1 inch sewing allowance, but or 0.75 or half an inch as you want. Okay, so this is our nipple points. Okay, our waistline, our allowance, right? Our under bust. So now let's input all the measurements. The bust is 33. Okay, 33 divided by 4, that is 8.25. 8.25 here. So this is under bust. The under bust is 26. 26 divided by 4, 6.25. Okay, yeah. So the waist is 26. Okay, 6.25. Okay, all right. So now let's connect. Okay, so here let's input the measurement. let's take the hammer at 7, right? At 7 here, but the hammer is 16. Okay, you can divide by 2 and have it. That'll be 8, right? So when you put all the measurements here to 8.25, right? So for the hammer is 7.5. Okay, so I'll just make a curve here this way. So this is our chest line, nipple points from the bust, waist, and the allowance. So I will find the midpoint of here, which is 7, right? That will be here 3.5. That is the midpoint of the hammer. So our nipple to nipple is 7 divided by 2, 3.5. So I will mark it all through 3.5, 3.5, right? So I'll connect it this way. So here I will come in by half an inch or 0.7. Okay, 0.75, 0.75. Okay, zero 0.75 here. Okay, so we have that here. So this line will come down by 1 inch. Okay, and remember this is the line for the nipple to nipple, right? Divided by 2. So here I'll take 0.75 again. Okay, 0.75, and the same thing all through 0.75, 0.75 here. So I'll connect it to this line, this way. Just connect it to the upper part and this way. So remember we have 0.75 here too. I will just connect this first, okay, the middle part. So now the next thing is to connect the dots here too. Okay, so I will remember we have 1 inch, 0.75, right? 0.75 here and here, that is multiplied by 2, right? So just take your tape like this. Okay, I have like almost 2 inches here, so I'll place it here. Okay, and I'll place it here also, place it here. Okay, so here we have a short armhole here, right? So we don't need it because it's mannique, right? Let's just leave it that way, and you can just extend it down here, but because it's mannequin, we need a small sleeve for it, right? So let it be that way. So we just extend this. So this is our new line here, right? Connect down here because we didn't take anything from this line. So this is the armhole. So let's extend this by the 2 inches. Okay, extend this by 2 inches. So just cut. This is our new line now. Okay, just cut this way and this way. So we cut this part off. Okay, so let's cut. So I've just cut this because we're not using these parts. Okay, so So this is the new line. So this is the neck, right? So remember the shoulder slope. You can make it in pattern, okay? So instead of this, it will start on this line, right? So we'll not cut this off, to be this way. So the next thing we will do, if you're using pattern, you're supposed to cut this side off, okay? But I will not cut it off because this is the main fabric. What I will do is to just mark it at the other side here, okay? Just mark it here, okay? So I will hold it as a dot, okay, from here and here. I will hold it as a dot and sew it and stop here, okay, and hold this side as a dot and stop here. So it will just be like a puff here, and it will I will transfer all this pattern, just this two, okay, transfer it to the back here. So I've transferred it, okay. So the next thing I will do is just place it on this, the back, and use it to cut it out with the neck also. So I'll place it and cut it out. Use it as a pattern, right? Alright, so I will make the shape under here, okay. Okay, so when we sew, this side will be shorter, right, and this side will be shorter. Let's go sew this first, okay. Join this and this on the back. So now I've joined it, okay. I'll sew this side, not join it, right? Sorry, I've sewed it, okay, to just make that there, okay, just to have something like oops, right? Can you see? Okay, so the next thing we do is I'll just place this on the back, okay, this way. I'll make sure the neck is the same, okay. You can use your pen to hold it together. Just make sure it is the same with the neck. So what I will do next is to just, okay, sew this way, okay, push it to the side, sew, okay, the shoulders slope together, and this side from here. So make sure it is in the middle, right, at the center of the fabric, back fabric. Use pen to hold this side together, and this side. Okay, so I will sew now, okay. I will go to the machine, okay, and just sew from here this way down. So now I've joined into the back. So from here, you know where the dart stopped, I did not join it because I'll still put hanger inside, okay, or something like flat you can hold, okay, like hanger, okay. So now I'll just turn it out. So I will not trim off this. There's no need because we're going to put a lot of pieces inside, okay, or if you have fiber, right, just turn it out. So this is the out part, okay, this is the front and this is the back. So I'll put the hanger inside. Okay. So we have the hanger inside now. So now what I will do next is just pass through all the waste or fiber that you have. Okay, just push it inside. Like this. And to the neck. So just wrap the pieces like this, okay, and push it to here. Can you see? Can you see the boobs? Okay, so wrap another one and push it there. Can you see? So you push to the neck also. Okay. So you can just use a needle and thread to run a stitch this way. And use your hand to just make the chest flat a little bit here. Okay. So here, I'll just sew it this way. It's needle and thread, right? Like the stitch, but make sure your boobs are the same, right? So this is the neck. I'll just turn it in and use needle and thread to zip it up. So just zip it this way with needle and thread, you know. I think iron hanger is more preferable, you know. You can bend it. So this is just short hanging, short and quick hanging mannequin. Okay. So you don't want this to be too, okay. You want it to be flat, right? So just stitch it that way. And this. So I added to the boobs, okay, like the way I did it first. Okay, can you see? Just wrap it this way and push it to the right. Okay. So now just pull this in. The back is more than the front, so that is what I'm using. So just wrap it, right? So this is the quickest mannequin, right? DIY mannequin. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Okay. Just so all through. So I've stitched it to the end. So you can continue to, stitch it again. But my thread is doubled into 4. Okay. So we can use this to display your jewelry, like necklace. I think it will go well with it. So don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, and like. So this is the mannequin. Okay? You can just stitch this inside this parts, okay? And it's very heavy, Push pin cannot hold it. So this is what I can get for now. So don't forget to subscribe.